Chloe here at Integrated Health Solutions in downtown Indy. If you're dealing with tight shoulders, painful low back, or muscle tension in general, I'm going to show you two of my favorite tools in order to combat all of that. So you have a foam roller and a lacrosse ball. These can be really good to utilize at home to decrease muscle tension, increase blood flow, and break up adhesions. So let's dive on in. First up, the foam roller. Think of this as your personal massage therapist. This works to increase blood flow, break up adhesions within your fascia, and promote better movement and recovery throughout your muscles. First, we have the upper back. I want you to place the foam roller in the upper back. We're going to cross the arms to open up those shoulder blades and slowly roll from the shoulder blades to the mid back. For the glutes, I want you to bend one knee, place the opposite leg over that knee, and then we are going to slowly roll to release that glute tension. This one's really good if you sit all day or if you have any sciatic type tightness. For the quads, I want you to lay on your stomach, placing that foam roller underneath the quads here, supporting yourself with your elbows, and you're going to roll from hips all the way down to knees. If you find any tender spots, feel free to hang out there for a second. That can really decrease a lot of that tension. Next, let's take a look at the lacrosse ball. This can help get into those hard to reach spots that the foam roller just can't get to. Let's see how we can utilize this next. For the mid back, I want you to find that space between your spine and your shoulder blade. We're going to place the ball there, hold that up against the wall, and then we're going to slowly move up and down to find all of those trigger points. Did you know that you could use this for your foot as well? Place the ball underneath the arch of your foot and slowly roll it around. This is really good for plantar fasciitis or anybody who has to stand on their feet all day. Here are a few helpful hints. Make sure you're going slowly. Going slowly can ensure that our muscles have complete time in order to relax. Second, take deep breaths. Deep breathing can relax our nervous system to ensure a safe zone for our muscles to release all of their tension. Thirdly, avoid sharp pains. If it's painful, that's your body's response to tell you to stay away. Mild discomfort can be normal. Thirdly, consistency over intensity. Making sure that we utilize the lacrosse ball or the foam roller periodically throughout the day, spending no more than 2 to 3 minutes every hour to 2 hours rather than 10 minutes at the end of the day can really make a huge difference. So, whether you're an athlete, a desk worker, or just someone dealing with daily tension, lacrosse ball and foam roller can be a great way to decrease that tension and keep your body moving throughout the day.